Okay, kind of messed up my last time when I tried to do a video of this because my little friend down there kept getting in the way. But these are car dollies. In this case, it's going to be a truck dolly for my M37 over there. And they go together pretty good. They're from Vevor. They are shipped to you in a single box. It's, I don't know how it's going to work, but it should be pretty good because they're good for 2 tons per, for every one of these. These are 2 tons each, so that's 8 tons. And the M37 weighs 5,700 pounds. So I figure, well, 2 tons per wheel shouldn't be too bad. And then what they have, yeah, it's a pretty easy thing to work on. Got the locks you put on one side, and then the other ones are straight ones on the other side. And this is how it goes together. It's really simple. They give you one supplied wrench, actually 2 wrenches, but one's basically, it's really too small. You got no leverage at all with this thing. It's just too tiny. So I just use a crescent wrench on the top, and you just keep going until it's tight, and that's about it. It's pretty simple. There. And then it locks up. That's it. It is pretty much tight. These are standard type, your standard type locks. You push down on them. Off, down. Push down on that one. That's on. You even have an off and on the. Take a look. Take a look at the. Let's see if we can see that. I don't know if you can see it yet. It says it on the tabs. Okay, there it is. Off on that side, on this side. So it's pretty much foolproof, And I got 4 of them, and it wasn't too bad. Money-wise, it was $142 total. That included the FedEx shipping. So, it's really not too bad, especially not these days. And so, yeah, I'll be using those on this. The reason I needed it for the M37 is, I really don't have that much room in this garage. And what I need to do is on the other side, I notice I have brake fluid leaking on the tire. So I think on that one, I don't think I put a new wheel cylinder in it. We put a new brake line in it, but it wasn't leaking at the time. So I don't think I bothered to put a new wheel cylinder in. On the other ones, I did. I had to basically rebuild all of those. But this one here, yeah, it's leaking. So I gotta get myself some room. So the only thing I could think of was get these car ramps, or dollies I should say, and I'll move it over that way. And Milo, what are you doing over there? I see Milo's shadow. There he is. Milo. This guy's getting bigger though. He stands up now. Before he used to stand up, he was like to my neck. Now he's eye to eye with me. And so yeah, he's getting pretty big. He must weigh at least 70 pounds by now. When I picked him up, he weighed 61. So now, what are you trying to get into over there? See, the problem with this dog is he tries to get in everything inside this garage. And see, nothing's safe. That's what I got to watch with him. I mean, one day he picked up out of my tool chest, he picked up a pack of razor blades. And it was actually, they were blades for utility knives, those type. And so, yeah, use something else. No, get out of that bucket. You don't know where it's been. So, yeah, I found the broken case in the backyard, and he had also, the blades were actually sitting on back. There was like 4 blades. And well, so luckily he didn't go as far as eating any. So there he goes, out to chase birds or squirrels again. Anyway, so yeah, Vevor made some pretty good stuff. This is the shelf, stainless steel shelf. That came from Vevor. I put it together. And that took me a lot longer than these dollies did. These dollies only took me maybe five minutes for each one, maybe, so 20 minutes altogether, and that's about it. So this thing here, I think, took me about 2 hours with all the parts and stuff. But yeah, it's solid. It's held up pretty well. I got a lot of weight on it, and a lot of stuff I have on it. So yeah, they do make some pretty good stuff. In fact, I think I even have, oh yes, I even have in the back, that's a jerry can from them. And so that's one of those, you just pull the spout off and that cap goes down, and it works a lot better than those stupid safety, safety cans, So, yeah. So anyway, that's going to be it for me, I guess, for now. So we'll talk to you guys later.